Tired of steamers for auto detailing that lose pressure the moment you hit a deep stain? Analyzed 15 steamers for auto detailing and filtered the ones that actually deliver professional results. What I found about steam pressure and tank runtime will save you from buying units that quit mid-detail. Let's dive in. Starting at number 5, and the context actually matters here. Automotive media keep naming the Dupray Neat the best overall steamer for 2026. So why 5th on a detailing list? Because fundamentally, it's a home steamer that excels on cars, not the reverse. If you only want a car-dedicated unit, a few others on this list edge it out. But one tool for car and home both? That's where this wins. Here's the core detailing argument. Steam at 275 degrees Fahrenheit and 50 psi. That's enough to break down grease and lift embedded grime from fabric, seats, and carpet. It sanitizes without a single chemical involved. For door panels, headliners, tight vent slats, and upholstery, it works. At 1500 watts, heat up time is under 8 minutes. For a unit this capable, that's quick. The runtime is a real strength. 54 ounces gets you 50 minutes of continuous steam per fill. People who've cleaned entire apartments on a single tank confirm you rarely run out mid-job. A full car interior detail, you'll be done before the tank is. The 17 accessories are worth walking through. Extension tubes keep the unit outside the car while you reach deep into the cabin. The detail brushes are built for vents and tight seams. The triangular bonnet head is exactly what you want on upholstery. This is a complete kit, not filler. 2 legitimate gripes. No water level indicator. Only know it's low when output pressure drops. One buyer had a rough warranty experience after the heater failed within the first year. Customer service sent them through third-party file sharing software to prove the defect. It's one data point, but worth knowing going in. For runtime, temperature, and attachment count, it's hard to beat at this level. The link is in the description. Number 4 on this list is where things get a little different. The Bissell Little Green Hydro Steam is not a pure steam generator. That distinction actually matters here. What it does is combine steam, cleaning solution, and suction in one pass. Think about the organic stains that end up in car interiors. Coffee, head accidents, muddy seats. Steam alone doesn't always cut those. You need heat, plus chemistry, plus extraction at the same time. That's exactly what HydroSteam does. 3 cleaning modes give you real options. Steam wash for oily, stuck-on messes. Steam only for upholstery and hard surfaces like door panels. And a standard wash mode for enzyme-based stains. That flexibility matters, since car interior surfaces change every few inches. The 64-ounce clean tank is a decent size for spot work. People who've used it on badly soiled truck floorboards say the runtime holds up well, longer than the tank size would suggest. It's also light enough to handle the whole interior without becoming a chore. Here's where I want to be straight with you. This isn't a high-pressure dry vapor machine. For vents and dry vapor decontamination, other units on this list do that better. Steam output runs at lower pressure than a dedicated unit. One quirk worth noting: steam takes a minute or two to reach full heat in combined mode. Start on steam only first, then switch back over. That handles it. The other gap is attachments. No crevice tool included. And for car detailing, that's a real miss. Tight spaces between seats and door frames are exactly where you need one. The 5-inch tough stain tool handles open surfaces well. You'll hit limits in the tighter spots. What keeps this at number 4 is the combination approach. For set-in stains on car seats and carpets, this genuinely outperforms pure steam. The combination of heat chemistry and extraction makes the difference on organic messes. Bissell backs it with a 3-year warranty, and they're a brand known for actually picking up the phone when something goes wrong. The link is in the description. Number 3 on the list is the McCulloch MC1275, and it earns its spot for a reason that matters in auto detailing: reach and runtime. Car interiors are full of spots you genuinely cannot get to with a rag. Vent slats, seat-to-console gaps, door sill channels, steering wheel crevices. Those spots need steam, not elbow grease. The MC1275 is built for exactly this. A 15-foot power cord paired with a 9-foot hose lets you work around an entire vehicle without moving the unit. That combination is more practical than it sounds. The stated runtime is 45 minutes of continuous steam per tank, but real-world use doesn't work that way. It's steam, wipe, steam, wipe. And during those pauses, the machine recovers and rebuilds pressure. People consistently get 90 minutes to over 2 hours of actual cleaning done on a single fill. That's a meaningful gap from what the manual claimed, and it matters for a full interior detail. 18 accessories in the box: nylon brushes, a brass brush, squeegee, and mop head, among others. For auto work, the brass nozzle tip and narrower brushes handle steering wheels, door sills, and tight panel edges well. The crevice performance is real. Grime that won't budge with a cloth loosens up quickly when you add heat and vapor. Here's where to set expectations. The steam pressure sits on the lower end. Professional detailing rigs target at 55 to 75 psi. This one loosens grime rather than blasting it, so you're still wiping after. Some smaller brushes also wear down faster than you'd want. Keep a separate scrubbing pad nearby and treat those as backup. Mineral deposits and hard water stains are a known weak spot. Steam doesn't break those down efficiently, but for grease, built-up grime, and organic residue inside a car interior, it handles the job well. For a weekend detailer who wants chemical-free results without hiring someone, this is a solid pick. The link is in the description. At number 2, and this one earns its spot for a real reason. The Uwant i100 looks like a carpet cleaner, but for car seats, floor mats, and upholstery, it performs better than plenty of machines marketed specifically for detailing. Here's what makes it stand out. 3 cleaning modes. Steam at 212 degrees for baked-in grime. Hot water at 149 degrees for pet stains and organic messes. Cold water for everyday spots. That's not padding. It's the right tool for each type of mess in one machine. The 18 kilopascal suction is the other piece that matters. Suction is what separates a real extractor from a machine that just pushes dirty water into the fabric. At this level, liquid gets pulled back out. Surfaces come out damp, not soaked. For car interiors, that's a big deal. Wet carpet and foam take hours to dry, and mildew follows. This doesn't leave that problem behind. People using it on car seats describe watching dirty water get pulled into the tank in real time. That kind of visible result is telling. Old stains, including pet spots, reportedly come out on the first pass. The dual tank design deserves a mention too. Clean and dirty water stay completely separate. Simple concept, but it means you always know what's left in your clean tank. No mixing, no guessing mid-session. One honest tension. Uwant isn't a known detailing brand. Long-term support is less predictable than with established names. Worth keeping in mind if you plan to use it heavily and regularly. But the 3-mode system at this price range is genuinely hard to find elsewhere for car interiors, rugs, and home upholstery without buying 2 machines. This handles it. 7 accessories are included. The silicone brush heads, designed for smooth surfaces like car seats, are a thoughtful detail. The link is in the description. Before we reveal our number 1, be sure to check out the description below for the freshest deals on each of these items. Starting off at number 5, we've got Bissell 3-in-1 Steam Mop. I'll be upfront. This lands here because it's a capable machine, but one with real limitations when auto detailing is the main goal. The appeal is clear. Bissell is a recognized brand. The 3-in-1 design covers a lot of ground, and the steam output is genuinely strong. You get upright mop mode, extended wand, and the handheld steam shot pod. One tool that handles the garage floor, the driveway, and the car interior. The cord is long enough that you're not constantly switching outlets, and it heats up fast. But this machine was designed as a steam mop first. The handheld portion was added to make it versatile. And for auto detailing specifically, that order of priorities shows. When you're working inside a car, cleaning seats, door panels, tight console areas, you're holding that handheld pod up for extended stretches. People who've used it this way confirm the same thing. The weight becomes a real problem. Not immediately, but after 20 or 30 minutes of overhead and angled work, your arm is going to notice. There's also no trigger lock. To produce steam, you're holding that trigger down the whole time. For a quick surface wipe, fine. For a full interior detail session, that turns into genuine hand fatigue. The accessories are a mixed bag. The concentrator nozzle and scraper tool work well. The smaller brush heads are more fragile and wear faster than you'd want on tough jobs. Tank capacity is also on the smaller side, so for a full detail, expect at least 1 refill mid-session. Where this earns its place is floor mats, cargo areas, and broad sealed surfaces. The steam pressure handles embedded grime without chemicals, and the variable modes let you dial it back for materials that need a lighter touch. If you need one tool that covers home cleaning and occasional car sessions, this makes sense. If detailing is your main reason for buying, the options ahead on this list are better suited for the job. The link is in the description. You now know how to separate the machines that deliver from the ones that just look the part. If budget is the priority, number 2 gives you extraction and 3 cleaning modes under $120. If you're a weekend detailer after chemical-free results with real reach, number 3 is the pick. And if you want one machine for the car and the house both, number 5 handles both without compromise. Prices on a few of these are moving. Links are in the description.